Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. You already know what time it is. It's time to get this power hour in. Today's video is an after dark power hour. Right now I'm just showing you what areas I decided to tackle on this evening. And if you are ready to come along for this journey and see what all I got done, or if you want to set your timer for an hour and conquer it with me, let's get it done, you guys. Don't forget to leave this video a like and leave me a comment. Let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning.
When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when
So on that little intro clip, I did not show you guys that I was going to be tackling this bathroom, but it was a hot mess and needed to be cleaned. You guys, I swear there was toothpaste everywhere that toothpaste was not supposed to be, okay? And y'all are going to see that a little bit later in the video, but I'm first starting out in this bathroom. I'm going to get that cleaned up, and then we're going to conquer the rest of these areas in the house.
we talk, we don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I hear me. Yeah, nothing else in between. Yeah, try to connect without making a scene, but we.
Now, y'all remember when I said there was toothpaste in places there shouldn't have been toothpaste? Y'all, it was toothpaste in the toilet bowl, but I ain't gonna show y'all that. That's just too much, okay? But these are the areas that I saw toothpaste around the bathroom, and I just wanted to show y'all a close-up.
Leave, 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I hear me. Yeah, nothing else in between. Yeah, try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. We don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid.
And yep, you guessed it, there was toothpaste on this trash can. Y'all, my son had him a whole toothpaste party up in here, and I was not invited. But you know what? I just got it cleaned and told him, son, please don't do that, okay? You are not contributing to the toothpaste funds around here. So we just gonna brush our teeth and keep it moving, okay?
But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
If this is your very first time visiting my channel today, hi, welcome. My name is Sean, and over here on my channel, we do these power hour clean with me videos every single week. So if that is something that you are interested in, or you just feeling my vibe and want to subscribe, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Go ahead and leave me a comment introducing yourself so we can get to know each other. And to all my loyal return subscribers, I have not forgotten about you guys. Thank you so much for always showing up and showing out for you girls, supporting me on this journey. I truly, truly appreciate you.
Me, like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like the mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
Alright, so after cleaning the bathroom, I had about 42 minutes left in the power hour. So I just wanted to pick up the hallway real quick and come in the living room and get these pillows off the floor. I swear my kids do not like pillows on the couch. Well, my daughter doesn't like pillows on the couch because she's just going to come in here and throw them right on the floor. But either way, I come right behind her and pick them up, get this living room tidied up so we can move on to the kitchen. Because during power hours, I like to save a big chunk of my time for the kitchen because it really does take a while. So just keep that in mind. If you are like me, you need the most time in the kitchen because it's just a lot to do in there.
I'm feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy. There must be some complicated after effect of this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely, swiping left and right to meet somebody. And they won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I'd do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in.
Ooh, y'all, so we got 32 minutes to get this dining room and kitchen together. Y'all think we're gonna make it? Just keep watching.
No, yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me. In the parking lot, in the backseat, don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me, like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you, like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you. In the backseat, on the highway, in the backseat home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
Alright, y'all, we got 24 minutes to get this kitchen together, and I won't lie to you, I was sweating like crazy, and I was a little nervous because I don't think I've ever cleaned this kitchen in 24 minutes, but we're going to try to make this happen today because I don't want to clean a second longer than it's 1 hour. I want to stop and just relax, enjoy the rest of my evening with my family, so we're going to get this kitchen together in 24 minutes, okay?
It's time for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak. When you text me, you got needs. Only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak. But I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in 3,
So if you watched my last power hour, I mentioned how my dishwasher was not properly drying the dishes, and a lot of you guys recommended me to try some jet dry or rinse aid. And you guys, I did get some, and it did make a huge difference. I feel like the dishes are finally getting dry. That was just the missing piece to the puzzle, and your girl ain't got to hand dry these dishes anymore. So thank you guys so much for the suggestions. Had me losing my mind, y'all. I almost forgot the soft scrub in the sink. I just was rushing. I kept looking at the clock and time was winding down. But I got it back together and got this sink clean for you guys.
Can never bring me down, 'cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof, 'cause I'm bulletproof. Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. I'm on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems.
Alright, you guys, we made it through the power hour with some seconds to spare, okay? Another success. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to leave it a like, subscribe if you have not already, make sure that notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you guys real soon with a brand new power hour. Bye.
What I want, 'cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you